Hi guys, welcome back for another Pi News update. Gusto ko lang i-share itong isang article na nabasa natin. Credits to Binance.com and Coinpedia for the source and inspiration ng video natin. Ito yung current date and time ng ating recording today, and yung title ng article is Pi Network Price Prediction for June 2025. Okay, so dito sa initial part ng paragraph, dinidescribe lang dito yung current price action ng Pi Network. Ang sabi dito, Pi is currently stuck in a tight range between 0.68 and $0.81 and is hovering above key support levels. Okay, so unless the Pi Network price action breaks above the 0.75 up to 0.78 resistance range, okay, the next key support levels are 0.60 and 0.5. Okay, so kung gusto natin na-expect na tumaas pa yung price action ng Pi, dapat ma-break nito yung resistance level na 0.75 up to $0.78. Otherwise, babagsak lang to, and ito na yung support levels niya, 0.60 and $0.50 na lang. Okay, so gusto lang natin i-highlight itong information provided by Dr. Altcoin. Pi's price action may keep falling through August, after which it may slowly start to recover. He had previously warned that it could drop to 0.40 unless the Pi core team steps up with more transparency. Okay, so in the long term, Pi Network is pushing to build value through their $100 million ventures fund aimed at real-world use cases in fintech, gaming, e-commerce, and AI. Okay, but for now, the technical picture stays weak until the demand picks up. Okay, check nga natin yung price action ng Pi Network dito sa CoinGecko website. Ayan, Pi2PHP. So ayun nga guys, mukhang imbornal price action nga ngayon yung Pi Network, 36.40 yung presyo ng Pi as of the recording ng video natin. And ito yung itsura niya in the past 7 days and in the past 24 hours. Okay, bumaba pa pala siya as low as 34 pesos. Mataas pa pala tong 36. Grabe, oh. Bumaba pa pala siya ng ganun. Grabe, ang baba. Pero yung pinakamababang nakita ko kasi siya noon 27 pesos. Okay, so just imagine na lang kung mas bumaba pa lalo yung price action ng Bitcoin sa mga susunod na buwan at taon. Okay, so hint na yan guys. Now, a disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purposes only and not financial advice. Okay,